Hey friends, if you wish to install and use WinZip in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now, my first approach towards downloading any software is to use the Microsoft Store, either through the icon on the system tray or searching for it in the Windows search bar and then opening it. And then type WinZip, and then we have two options here. One is the WinZip Microsoft Store Edition, which doesn't have a good rating, and the other one is WinZip Universal. So I usually prefer this. I'll click on this and let's see what Bing has for us. So WinZip here. I can also download the latest versions from the website itself, and then click on try for free and then click on open, and let's see what they have in store for the Microsoft Store version. They have the Microsoft Store Edition. So I am trying this one, the one from the website. Once it has installed, click on finish. Once it has finished downloading, you have the option to use the evaluation version or buy it. So I will use the evaluation version because I don't want to buy it, and it has quite a lot of features. I can use it for zipping files and all. And for confirming this, I will try to zip a file. Right click on it and then select WinZip. Yes, so it does have the option to zip the file, and this is the traditional zipping third-party software. I mean, the most popular traditional zipping third-party software, and you can try and unzip those files which you have zipped using the option here, and you can check the history of all frequent all recent zippings and unzippings done through this option, the last output. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.